There you go, nice pass. There you go, nice pass.
Yeah. End up taking. Yeah.
I'm not yet. I didn't know.
Here's my wallpaper, Michelle.
Oh, that's huge.
And then
I haven't been paying much attention.
the Minnesota's first two picks were a defensive lineman in a corner.
Oh?
And I'm like,
They need a quarterback.
I go, they need a wide receiver. We're going to link now.
Oh, you are. Do I have about 20 in front of you?
Yes, we need a receiver.
Yeah, that really messed me up.